Hi, my name's Ellie-May and I'm a second year apprentice here at the National Botanic Garden of Wales. Over the past year and a bit I've been learning all about horticulture here at the National Botanic Garden, all different aspects, and also growing as an individual. I've been a part of many projects here at the gardens. Each one has taught me the resilience and skills required to become a qualified horticulturalist. As part of the apprenticeship I've had the honour of working with the estates team, which I really enjoyed. Things that included grass cutting, tree maintenance, tree planting, all of which I've really enjoyed. One of my favourite areas of the gardens are the Japanese garden. I love the autumn colour down there, all the aces look amazing in the autumn. I'm very excited for the rest of my apprenticeship, and also I want to give a big thank you to the great team here at the gardens and to the National Garden Scheme and Patrick Daniell Apprenticeship Scheme for supporting us all.